Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can remove the SIM card from a Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So in order to do that, of course, we need to use the pin that is included in the box of the smartphone. Then we need to rotate our smartphone. Over here at the bottom we have the SIM card slot. We need to put this pin inside this small hole and then push it a little bit until this slot comes out a little bit. Use your finger in order to completely take it out. Then of course we have our SIM card. We need to take it off. There we go. And then we can put this back in. And of course do this facing this side over here. You can see that it says this side up. So we can put this back in. And there we go. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.